How to fix Rana Card crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your library and open up the properties window, and then under the launch options you want to type -D3D11 or -DX11 if the first one didn't work for you. And then you can go to the installed files tab and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this to be done. And once this is completed, you want to close the window and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers section and make sure that you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed. And if you have it already installed, try to reinstall it from the reinstall button right here. And then you should restart your computer after doing that. Now, once you restart your computer, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist, and then click on the first Microsoft link, and then scroll down to this table and make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 version, both of them. Click on this link to download and install them. It's pretty easy to install. And then once you install them, you should open up Steam and then launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.